How to buy PENGU token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. And also check their Telegram channel. They include it in their X account. Now after that, go to their official website. It's called pengu.io/about. And as you can see, this token, the pre-sale starts in, as you can see, this countdown in 6 days. Now to be able to buy this token, so first of all, make sure to read all about this token. As you can see, you can check their utilities, you can check their tokenomics, and check everything, check their social accounts. So now after that, connect your wallet. And now select your wallet from here. For example, I will select the Bitget wallet. After that, you connect your Bitget wallet from here, confirm. And after that, as you can see, because this token is the pre-sale is not start, now you can't connect your wallet. I will just select another wallet, for example, the Trust wallet. As you can see, now I will log in to my accounts. Just click on connect, and after that click on switch, and as you can see, the Trust wallet is connected successfully. Now after that, just wait this countdown until the end, and after that connect your wallet and you can buy this token. As you can see, just keep following the updates about this token to be able to buy it in the right time. So this is how to buy the PENGU token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.